I was pregnant at the time when I moved here, and basically they just gave me supported housing accommodation. It was my last stages of pregnancy, because I've been here about a year now, and that's the most difficult time, to be honest, and without their help and support, I don't think I would have had such a happy child. I'm very in control. If I don't want to do something, or if I do want to do something, it will happen the way I want it to happen. Like if I want to see Julia more often than I want to, I will be able to. If I don't want to see her on a certain day or I can't make it, I don't have to. Because it's not like, if it was someone forcing me to do something, I wouldn't feel motivated to do it at all. Because it works on my own terms, basically, I'm more likely to do it. Well, every month we have key work sessions with our key workers, and we go through what we want to do in the future, and we set a date where we need to achieve them goals by. They've helped me be way more independent. I know how to budget, and I know how to basically do everything by myself now. I'm ready to move on.